Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Mundo's World. Today we're actually going to open this here. So it's Champions Path Hatterene V-Box. I haven't opened any Champions Path. As a matter of fact, this is actually all I've gotten my hands on as far as Champions Path is concerned. So I thought I would open it here on the channel. Unfortunately, there was this gentleman at the store thought it was a good idea to grab it right from that piece there. Either way, we're opening it up, so it's all good. So if you're watching, sir, I forgive you. All right. If you want to get a good look at it, this is what it looks like. All right. Now let's get to it. Is there an easy place to open? No? Okay. So we're going right from the side. It's not really a nice and neat way to open this, huh? All right. So, there it is right there. Probably don't need this anymore. And unfortunately, I got blurry all of a sudden. Let's see if we can fix that. My back. No. Let's get off camera and get back on. All right. So now that I'm focused again, I really got to change that autofocus thing. All right. Now we can go ahead and open this guy. How does this go apart? I can show you the code card from right there. There it is. And it looks like, there it is. Alright. So, actually I like that a little better. Because some of the older ones, it kind of, like this little indention here, typically would get, like, you'd have to like pull the card out and it could potentially get damaged there. So I can show you guys that code card one more time. Okay. Try to adjust a little bit here. There. Looks nice. Hatterene card looks nice. Nice artwork. I'm trying to look here as far as, I don't like the centering too much. Neither. It's pushed a little further bottom, and it also is pushed a little further. What was that, to the left? Then you got the oversized card, nice as well. But beggars can't be choosers. And here we have it. 1, 2, 3, and 4 Champions Path packs. Wow. All right. So since there's 2 of those, we'll go with one of these first, and we'll save the other one for last. Now, as I like to do with my sports cards, I will also be doing with my Pokemon cards. I just try to reduce the chances of bent cards, corners, or what have you. Alright. Code card first? Sure. Can you guys tell where my watch goes? Alright. Champion's Path, I have no idea how the card trick works for Champion's Path. So this one we're just going to have to do it just as it is. And what is that? Nick it. Swablu. Machop. Zigzagoon. Vulpix. Malamar. Looks like that's our rare coming next. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 off of the top. Let's see. Oh, this is a shiny. Is it? It just kind of showed something there. I want to see how many cards off the back. Okay, so 4 cards off the back. I gotcha. Alright. So Malamar, well, we can show these, right? We got an energy. We got Sonia trainer card. We got Rotom Bike trainer card. Sharpedo. There's that Malamar. And Lycanroc. I like the Lycanroc. That's a nice picture. Alright. So. Now I know how this has got to go. There you guys go. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I got that right. All right. So energy. Oops, I forgot my hello. Alright, Victini. Hyper Potion. Rotom Phone. Scraggy. Carvana. Zigzagoon. Kakuna. Matata. Roly-Coly, Purloin, and Machamp. Nice, I like that. We'll do, what is that? I want to say Gallade? Or Gallade, whatever. Pretty sure that's who that is. All right. Code card. Oh, two medals in a row. All right, Great Ball of Fire, Absol, Victini, Scraggy, I feel like we've done this before, Roly Coly, Nickit, Ekans, Carvana, Sonia Trainer, and a Hatterene. How appropriate. That's actually really funny because I got a Hatterene in this one, and I'm trying to remember what tin it was. But I feel like I did a tin, or was it a box? May have been a VMAX box or something. But, and I swear this was just recent. And I pulled exactly what was on the box or whatever, what have you. I like that. Now this one, if we look at this, now sure, this is just a, you know, just a rare, but like if we look at this, you can kind of see this is a lot more centered than the last one, than the Hatterene V that we got, you know, the promo card. But you can tell by looking at this yellow outline. Also, some people like to look at this side and look at the blue. Now, looking at it, I could say that it's pretty decent. It's pushed a little down. It also looks slightly crooked. We have a line going across, unfortunately, right here up top. I don't know if you guys can see that. Can you see that line right there? I feel like I'm showing it there. Yeah. Those are some of those like little factory lines that you get, which obviously it's not ideal. But obviously this is just a rare, right? So last pack, and we're gonna hope for something good in this one, because we haven't gotten anything. Alright, and just to keep things interesting, we're going to go ahead and do this for you guys. Alright, we got Energy. We got Libird. We have Pyres, Team Yellgrunt, Carvana, Swablu. I feel like we got one Swablu already. Sizzlypede. Sizzlypede. Okay, that's clearly difficult for me to say. Weedle. Zigzagoon. That's Galarian. Zigzagoon. I haven't been saying the Galarian part. Arbok. There is your code card, ladies and gentlemen. And for the final card of today's pool, we got Professor's Research. Nice. So no big pools today, and that is okay. I figure, hey, we have just enough time for one more pack, so let's pull out a pack from what we got here. Alright, so it looks like we got Sun and Moon Guardians Rising. And I'll go ahead and open this one now. I don't remember the Sun and Moon trick. I think it was 3, but I can't remember. Alright, let's see if it was 3. I think it was 3. Should make that there. Let's hope I did this right. I did not. Matang. Choice Band. Field Blower. Whalmer. Just, if you're looking at my face, I'm like trying to like not show if it's the actual rare that the pack gets. But Tailo, Phantom, Cast Form, Nose Pass. All right, Machamp. Okay, so clearly I did this wrong. There was the energy. And before we get to the last card, we'll give you guys the code card. There it is. And finally we have Rayquaza. That I like to end on. I do really like Rayquaza. I used to play a bit of Pokemon Go, and I do have Rayquaza. I believe I might even have a shiny Rayquaza. And I will verify that for you guys, and I'll get with you guys next time. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you do like Pokemon cards, trading cards, or anything Mundo. Yeah, definitely be sure to check out my other channels, Mundo's Garden, which things are looking lovely. We just got some lovely radishes in. I might just do a video on the harvest. I've already pulled quite a few, but we plan on doing the rest of the harvest right on the channel. Maybe not live, but I will be recording it, and that video should be coming up within the next day or 2. So, folks, thank you very much, guys, for watching and being a part of this pack opening. You guys are fantastic. I love you all. Again, give me a like, help the channel out. I just thank you guys for even watching, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys. Much love, and we'll see what Mundo is up to next.